So in this video, I will show you the biggest lesson that I have learned while making my personal dashboard, which is the following. So let's dive straight into it. Here I have Visual Studio Code with Cloud already loaded in. On the left, you can see it's an empty folder. There's nothing other inside. Before I start here, I'm going to show you something that I have prepared for this video. Here we have a JSON schema, something that an API would output. For example, Shopify API, for example, the Bol API or any other API. In this case, I've decided to make it about e-commerce because e-commerce, it's always nice to see it in a visual way, but you can work with any type of data. You don't have to work with the data that that you see here or that you get provided from one of the APIs. You can easily construct it yourself, and also with the help of AI, it's getting easier and easier. But even without that, um, it's not hard to do, and I'm gonna show you how easy it can be. So here I have some text. I will copy it, and it's actually some dashboard with some information. So we have like the KPIs, we have the charts, we have the products. So you can see like some product information, you can see like the revenue, stock, etc. So it's actually copy paste. And the reason I'm making this video is to show you why the data is so important. So the data you're getting, that is something that AI cannot generate. The data is something, it's personal context about you, about your life, in this case, about your business. So that's something that AI cannot do. Something that AI is very good at is general knowledge. In this case, it's code. It's code from the front end. So the front end code is literally a language, just like English, just like Spanish. So it's based on characters and that it can learn very good and very well. So in that case, the front end, or for that reason, the front end is not hard because it's literally trained on so much data and it has so many reference points. So in this case, we can literally just paste it and we can say create a front end with this data. Um, Start local host when you done. So the reason I'm saying start localhost 3070 is because of another project that I'm also running. So that is the only thing that I've done differently. But if you just send this and you have nothing running on your computer, which you probably have not if you're watching this video, um, then you can easily just paste like a short sentence together with your data. And right now it's a literally just waiting for the AI to finish. Yeah, so the reason I wanted to make this video is to show you that it's really easy to create the front end. And the thing that is getting more and more important right now is the data that you put inside. You don't have to perfectly format the data. You can literally put in all the raw data and then make it work. And then once it's working, you can optimize it later. So hopefully with this video, it's more clear and it would also motivate you if you have not already to start using Cloud Code. In this case, it's for development, but there are so many other amazing things that you can do with it. And that or those things I will show in my next videos. For now, it's just waiting. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to come back when it's finished. All right, so it's finished in about 3 minutes. So let's check it. So let's open it. And here we have it. In this case, it's dark mode. You have the KPIs clearly visible. You have a nice chart. You get some other nice insights that you have here. It's all interactive. And here are the products with your stock, with your price, with your revenue. So as you can see, the front end is the easy part. The back end, so how you get the data and how you collect the data, that is the hard part. And that could be the hard part. It doesn't always have to be the hard part. For this example with e-commerce, to most of the platforms you can connect with an API, so it's not that hard to get the raw data, and you can literally just send the raw data to here, especially if it's a local host, like there's no how do you say it, no vulnerabilities. If you're going online, right, then you got to be more careful on what you send, but for this it's perfect to see your own internal data, which you can also connect to other APIs. So if I can tell you one thing is focus on the data that you collect, because that is the hard thing. And when you have done that, creating the front end, creating the insights, creating your own personal dashboard, or maybe a business dashboard is the easy part. So if you want to see more videos like this, where I tell you what my insights are, what my lessons are, or if I, for example, answer a question of an issue or problem that you are facing, then let me know in the comments and I will definitely make a video about it. For now, I'm wishing you a good day and I see you in the next one.